Hello students, welcome to AJ Akshara Academy YouTube channel. In this session, I am going to discuss NCERT exercise solutions of heat chapter from 6 to 11. ఈ వీడియోను మొదటిసారిగా చూసేవారు దయచేసి లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. మీ యొక్క అమూల్యమైన అభిప్రాయాలను మా కామెంట్ సెక్షన్లో తెలియజేయండి. నెక్స్ట్ come to the solution number 6. Today's topic, question number 6. Look at the figure. Mark where the heat is being transferred by conduction, by convection and by radiation. See the figure below. In this, we are taking a bowl and we are placing on the stand with the help of the Bunsen burner and a tripod stand. We are supplying the heat and the heat is transferred from higher temperature to lower temperature. See this diagram, in which parts here heat is transferred by the process conduction, convection and by radiation. Let us see one by one. Convection. Convection is nothing but the transferation of heat from higher temperature to lower temperature in the presence of liquids. Conduction in the presence of solids. Here is a metal base. Here we are placing a bowl. It is here process is known as conduction. Heat is transferred by conduction. Next, last one, radiation. Radiation nothing but no medium is required to transfer the heat. These are the three process: transfer of heat, conduction, convection and radiation. Okay. Next, go to the 7th question. In places of hot climate, it is advised that the outer walls of houses be painted white. Explain. Come to solution. Objects with white surfaces reflect more heat and absorbs less. So, less heat from outside would enter the house. So, that's why in the places of hot climate, it is advised that outer walls of the houses be painted white. White surfaces reflect more heat and absorbs less. That's why, so less heat from outside would enter the house. Next, go to the 8th question. 1 liter of water at 30 degrees centigrade is mixed with 1 liter of water at 50 degrees centigrade. The temperature of the mixture will be, the given first option 80 degrees centigrade, second option more than 50 but less than 80, third one between 20 and fourth one between 30 and 50. So the answer is between 30 and 50. Why? Because the temperature of mixture heat is transferred from higher temperature to lower temperature until they become equal. So that's why in between 30 and 50 should be the temperature of mixture will be in between 30 degrees and 50 degrees centigrade. So which one is correct? Option D is correct. Okay. Come to next question. Question number 9. An iron ball at 40 degrees centigrade is dipped in a mug containing water at 40 degrees centigrade. The heat will, first option, flow from iron ball to water. Second option, not flow from iron ball to water or from water to iron ball. Third option, flow from water to iron ball. Fourth option, increase the temperature of the both. But the answer is, the solution is not flow from iron ball to water or from water to iron ball. Go to the next question. Question number 10. A wooden spoon is dipped in a cup of ice cream. Its other end, first one, becomes cold by the process of conduction. The second option becomes cold by the process of convection. Third option becomes cold by the process of radiation. And the fourth option is does not become cold. Solution: does not become cold. A wooden spoon is dipped in a cup of ice cream. The other end does not become cold. Next question, there is 11th question. Stainless steel pans are usually provided with copper bottoms. The reason for this could be that first one, copper bottom makes the pan more durable. The second option is such pans appear colorful. The third option is copper is a better conductor of heat than the stainless steel. The fourth option is copper is easier to clean than the stainless steel. Come to solution. Solution is copper is a better conductor of heat than the stainless steel. So that's why stainless steel pans are usually provided with copper bottoms. This is the reason that copper is a better conductor of heat than the stainless steel. These are all the questions from 6 to 11 question and